Coach Rodrigo Fort and Aliyah Malaluan of the PLDT High School Hitters won in straight sets against the Cherry Pico Crossovers. Coach, congratulations on this win, a more dominant victory for PLDT sa game na to. Can you talk about lang din yung paggamit mo sa mga bench players and especially kay Aliyah na nag-step up talaga sa game na to in her first game?
Yun yung goal going to this game na i-prioritize yung health ng players. Like yun nga, sila Kim, si Kiana, actually kahit si Sab, pinagbihis lang. Pero ang mas naging goal ay yun nga, pangalagaan yung sa kanila, saka magbigay ulit ng opportunity sa mga second unit. So at least yung isa sa mga naging reinforcement namin, yung matagal na namin inaantay. So nakapag-perform.
Thank you, Coach. And best player of the game, Aliyah, with 11 points and 13 excellent digs. Personally, what can you say about how you made your debut here in the PBL?
Sobrang grateful po ako with this opportunity because syempre, I've been with the team for a few months na and this experience has been like my stepping stone para magkaroon pa ako ng connection with the team kasi syempre, I need to like have that gel sa kanila lahat.
Thank you. For a second
Aliyah, yung pagpasok sa inyo late first set, nag-deliver na agad. Can you take us through lang yung naging mindset? Lalo na ito yung debut mo talaga sa pool.
Sobrang mixed emotions ako kasi I'm excited and nervous at the same time. So sinabi ko na ng sarili ko, sige, paluin ko na ng bahala. Ayun. It turned out okay.
Coach, kayo, anong masasabi sa naging debut ni Aliyah?
Debut, matagal namin naantay. Matagal na antay na excited kami para sa kanya. Kasi yun nga, kinuha naman namin siya dahil alam namin mag-fit sa system. So hopefully, pag nakompleto kami ulit, plus siya, mas magiging maganda yung takbo ng team.
Yung nga po, Coach, walang masyadong pahinga and parang hindi rin po siguro nalubos pa yung celebrations in 4 days. So parang paano niya siguro training siya players yung pag-shift agad ng focus na after yung mag-champion mo Sunday, meron pa nga akong trabaho kailangan tapusin.
Yun yung pinakamahirap kasi hindi lang sa players ngayon feel yung pagod eh. Pero yun nga yung word, trabaho to eh. So regardless, kailangan namin mag-switch dun sa mode na kapag kailangan trabahuhin, ibigay na lang talaga yung best kesa maka-feel pa kami ng ganong negative. Pero yun nga, sa totoo lang, kita nyo rin naman kanina, hirap na talagang gumalaw both sides eh, kahit si Cherry. Iba talaga yung pagod. So happy kami na kahit paano na iraos namin yun.
And for Aliyah, after getting drafted, you had that national team stint briefly. So did that make you, I guess, regular for your PLDT and PBL debut? What were your takeaways from that?
Siyempre po, kasi doon naman sa training with Alas, may corrections din na tinatama. So that training din, kapag nag-training there, siyempre training din with PLDT. So kung ano yung tinuturo sa akin na correction, siyempre tatry ko din i-apply yun sa PLDT kasi I know it could help me then in the long run.
And you had an extended wait. How did you keep yourself ready lang in terms of integrating with the team, learning the system, and the entire process of acquainting yourself to being a pro player?
Syempre, while training naman with Alas, syempre napunta din naman ako sa training ng PLDT. Then, going there, syempre I need to observe everything na solid din ako ngayon sa viewing nila and the like. So, ayun, inaaral ko yung mga tinuturo and I always make sure na kung ano yung sinasabi ni Coach, ma-absorb ko lang lahat.
Again to Aliyah, given nga nasabi niya na you have this national team experience, is there still any jitters for you in your first game here sa PBL?
Of course, kasi first time playing with PLDT, sabi ko nga kanina, labot ako kinakabahan na I already experienced playing internationally. So yeah, sobrang happy na lang din ako kasi na-iraas ko. Yeah.
Coach, no Kiana, no Kim, no sabi din. Pero kumbaga ganito pa rin yung type of win ng PLDT. What does this say lang, Coach? Kumbaga about yung depth na rin ng team na kumbaga ganito yung napapakita nyo.
Mahirap gawing basis eh kasi yun nga, tabangin nga kanina na pagod na talaga eh. Siguro yun lang, happy lang talaga at proud na nag-perform yung hindi ganong nagamit ng finals. So at least yun nga, with Job, Keisha, and si Aliyah nga, nakapag-perform. Jesse rin pala, ganda rin ng game.
Coach, next game niyo will be against Signal. Siguro paano lang makakatulong yung ganito kalalim nga na roster for PLDT, especially after yan sunod-sunod po talaga yung games?
Ito lang naman din yung timeline. Itong Thursday talaga yung pinakamahirap since 4 days lang. Ang usapan, dapat complete na kami by Saturday. So, at least ma-full line up na ulit kami.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Coach.
Aliyah.